Thank you for your immense love and support. So today will be a Rakhi special video, and I will make this, and this. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So let's start with our first Rakhi. These are the things that I will need. So take this kind of red sheet and cut this kind of flowers. I will take a small strip of the paper and I will cut it and then fold it like so and draw a flower shape as I am showing you. And now I will cut this flower shape as you can see. So now press these flowers against your palm like this, or you can use a pen or a pencil's back to make this kind of shapes. So I will attach each petals together. Each flower will have 3 petals. So now I am attaching the second petal and I will attach the third petal. I will bend the sides of the last petal like this, and I have done all of these roses. So now take a cardboard and draw a circle and another circle a little smaller than the previous one, and then cut it. I have made all of these stamens in my home, as you can see. I will definitely make a different video on this, so stay tuned. So I will attach it on the cardboard. First I am attaching the stamens like this, and then on the stamens I will attach the flower. Then I have got these kind of leaf shapes which I will attach it like this. See it very carefully, and I will complete it, then I will meet you. And I have completed all of these. I will turn it back and I will stick the ribbon like this, and I will stick it on the other side also. Now I have got this kind of lace kind of a thing. This is a lace, and I will cut a square and I will stick it on the back side of the Rakhi, and this is the final look. And this is how it was looking on my hand. So let's come to our second Rakhi, and these are the things that I will need. So I have shown you previously how to make this kind of flowers and leaves, and I have got a square shape from the same lace that I have used previously. So now I will stick this square lace on the ribbon, and now I will stick the flowers like this. Then I will stick the leaves, and it is ready. And this was how it was looking on my hand. So let's come to the third Rakhi, and these are the ingredients that I will need. So I will take the cardboard and draw a circle and cut it. So I have got a cloth. So now I will make a circle little bigger than the cardboard circle and cut it. And now I will stick it with the Fevicryl fabric glue. And keep it for 5 minutes. And now I will cut the sides of the cloth like this, and I will stick it. Follow my patterns. And I will let it sit for 10 minutes. Now let's come to the thread. These are the siphon threads. Each bundle of thread was having 6 threads. So I have got 3 threads of each color, as you can see. These are of all of same size. So now I will stick the ends like this, and I will do it for all the 3 threads, and I will let it sit. Then I will braid 3 threads together. It is a normal braid. The yellow thread will be in the middle, as you can see. So now I am tying a knot at the end portion and cutting it out. The portion that I have sticked it with the sellotape, as you can see, knot over there, and I have stretched the braid like this to make it fluffy. Now I am putting these kind of beads in the open end, as you can see. So now I will stick these two braids. Now I will stick this kind of lace. So watch it carefully. I will make ruffles with this lace. Follow my steps, you can also get this kind of Rakhi. So I'm done doing my ruffles with the lace. So now I will take the leftover cloth and I will take a circle and make it on the cloth and cut it. So now I will stick it on the back side. I have got this kind of a foam flower and I will stick it with the help of a glue gun. And I have sticked a curry, as you can see. So now I will stick another one. Then I will attach half cut pearls on the side. So now I am done. Now I will take this Fevicryl 3D liner and write bro. You can write bhaiya or bhai, and this is the final look. This is how it was looking on my hand, as you can see. So let's come to the fourth Rakhi, and these things I will need. This is basically a kids friendly Rakhi. So I will attach these foam flowers together like this. And I have got this kind of a lace ribbon, and I will stick it with stick the flowers with the help of a glue gun, and I will stick the beads with the help of a glue gun, and this was the final look. So let's come to the fifth Rakhi. For this I will need a siphon thread and beads. So I have Gopal in my house, so this was basically for my Gopal. So in this order you can also get. Whenever you will feel that your thread is opening from the end, you can stick it with the help of a glue. As you can see, I am doing the same thing. Now put pearls. Like this. Now tie the ends so that the beads doesn't come out. And tie the other end also. Now at the end of the thread I will make a small tassel kind of a design by tying it. I have done the same with the other side also. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit that big fat thumbs up and share with your friends. If you didn't like the video, you can easily dislike it too, but do share your comments. And if you want to see any kind of videos from me in the comment section below, I will definitely put up a video on that. So if you are new here, I upload DIYs and recycling videos every Friday. If you like my work, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon beside it. It will notify you whenever I will post a new video. I will meet you next Friday. Till then, bye bye. Love you all.